Do you keep getting sick, feeling tired, inflamed, low on energy, like your immune system just gave up? What I'm about to tell you could change that. And the best part, it's 100% natural. Hi, my name is Sophia, and today I'm here to share a product that's transforming how people protect their immune system, TonicGreens. But first, a very important warning. TonicGreens is only sold on the official website. Because of its success, many fakes are being sold online. The real and safe link is right here in the description. TonicGreens is a natural supplement made with superfoods, minerals, and powerful antioxidants. It helps strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, and restore your body's balance by fighting off toxins and free radicals. With regular use, you'll notice fewer seasonal illnesses, more energy and focus, better digestion, a lighter, less bloated, and healthier body. It's super easy. Just mix 1 scoop daily with water or juice. For lasting results, the ideal is to use it for 90 to 180 days. Thousands of people have already tried it and approved. Many report going months without getting sick, even during the worst seasons, with more energy and daily well-being, and you can try it with zero risk. TonicGreens comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you'll get 100% of your money back. Now, a key detail, the 3 and 6 bottle kits are on discount and include free shipping, but only while supplies last. Demand is high, so secure yours before it's gone. If you want to boost your health naturally and safely with a product trusted by thousands, click the link in the description now and visit the official TonicGreens website. Encapsulate USA. Your health on another level. Real results.